I'm Rick and welcome back to the channel. I got the track done on the top level, and boy, that was a bear trying to get it to hook up from one switch to the other one's over there. But what I did was the top of this masonite piece and the base were both unattached. So what I did was I hooked all the track up together to the switches, and then I slid the base and the masonite top of it around to fit how the track was attached, and that made it a lot easier, much easier. So the mountain's gonna come down here and all the way down behind this bridge right here. But there you go, making progress. Well, there you go, the progress on the layout. Leave me a comment down below, tell me what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.